Hey there, future changemakers! Are you a recent grad or a student about to finish up with a burning passion to make a real impact? Well, hold on to your hats because I have news for you. Welcome to the UNICEF Free Internship Program 2024. This isn't just any internship, it's your gateway to making a significant contribution to children's futures worldwide while gaining some unbeatable work experience. But let's not stop there. Let me introduce you to UNESCO. Ever heard of them? They're a powerhouse behind global peace and security, fostering international cooperation through education, science, and culture. With activities in over 200 countries, the impact they're making is nothing short of global. Founded right after World War II in 1945, UNESCO's mission has been crystal clear: advance peace, sustainable development, and human rights. How? Through collaboration across nations. They're involved in everything from education to science to arts. Now, back to the UNICEF internship. Imagine being at the heart of operations, enhancing your academic knowledge with hands-on tasks that prepare you for the real world. This isn't just about adding a line on your CV, it's about preparing you to take on the future with confidence. So, who's eligible? If you're knee-deep in a master's program, a PhD, or equivalent, and you're great with people and adaptable to new environments, you're the perfect fit. And for UNESCO, if you've got the skills and knowledge they need, and you're between 20 and 65 years old with a good grasp of English or French, you might just be what they're looking for. Volunteering terms, anywhere from 2 weeks to 6 months. And remember, while you won't be on their payroll, the experience you gain, priceless. Ready to jump in? Applying is easy. Just fill out the form, outline what you can bring to the table, and let them do the rest. They'll review your application, check your references, and if you're a match, you'll get that all-important interview. Once you're in, you'll get a full rundown of your duties. This is your chance to start your career with a bang and make an impact where it counts. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that link below and apply now. Let's build a brighter future together with the UNICEF Free Internship Program 2024. And before you go, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more updates. Catch you in the next video where we continue to explore incredible opportunities. Later, folks.